Hello viewers and welcome back. This is my 2010 BMW 335i. As you may be aware, pre-facelift version of this vehicle has a BMW N54 motor. It's a twin-turbo 3-liter straight 6. And if you know that about BMWs, you know where this is probably headed. If you guessed charge pipe failure, you are correct. Here's the charge pipe. Here's where it used to be mounted. And in there is the throttle body, where it's no longer connected to. It didn't just break, it detonated, or at least that's what it sounded like from inside the car. So, I ordered a new one. It just arrived. Let's go unbox it. Here is the aforementioned box. Let's open it. I ordered the O-ring. I also ordered the C-clip. I think mine was blown off in the detonation when my charge pipe failed. Rubber coupling. 2 other pieces in here. Caps, in case you're using a blow-off valve, I think, which I am not. And it looks like charge pipe itself, fairly lightweight, should be, it's aluminum. Here is the finish on the charge pipe. Suppose it could be cleaner, but not bad for a $200 part, basically. I believe this is a bung. There's one on both sides for meth injection, which I'm not doing. So yeah, there you have it. Charge pipe. Mounting hardware, clamps. Nice. Alright, I think that's it. We have our charge pipe, we have our parts. All the pieces that appear to be here. Let's go ahead and install it. Alright, I decided to stop the time lapse and show you guys the damage here. This is where the charge pipe would connect to the throttle body, but you can see mine suffered a catastrophic failure at the throttle body flange. Consequently, the intensity of the failure actually caused the support flange here to snap off. So yeah, let's go ahead and yank her out. Well, my camera ran out of battery right in the middle of that, and I didn't take a look that it was still recording, but easy does magical. It's in. There she is. Clamps and all. Been driving her around, she runs like a top. Throttle response, even though they say it's improved throttle response, it's barely imperceptible to me. Maybe it's a tiny bit more responsive when you blip the throttle for downshifting, but that's about it. Here's the interesting part. Here's the old pipe. This is where the C clamp would go. You can see it failed on both sides of the C clamp. So violently, in fact, that it threw the C clamp off the throttle body and probably into the bottom of my car, or probably somewhere on Hicks Road somewhere. And this is the plastic support flange that I was talking about. It bolts on to a support piece mounted on the side of the engine, and it blew off with such force that it snapped this clean off too. There you have it. My car only has about 44,000 miles on it. So even though it's a 2010, it has relatively low miles. I've heard of guys failing at 37,000, and usually they're doing something crazy like running a stage 2 map, JB4 or something like that. Massive boost pressure through a hot, oily piece of plastic, you know, something's gonna give. But yeah, no, my car's been completely stock until now, but I refuse to pay $360 retail for a plastic part that's known to fail. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.